Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacey and today I'll be doing a quick and easy protective style. So if you're interested in seeing this style, just keep watching the video till the end. So after putting my hair in two sections, I'll start working on the sections separately, and I decided to apply some Ecostyler olive oil gel to my hair to smooth it out just a little bit. Now I'm using my Afro kinky curly clippings in 14 inches to attach it to the buns to create a puff or a ponytail. Just a little tip, you want to make sure when you start attaching the clipping, you have to clip in the first clip into the hair, and then the rest of the hair you just move it in circles around the bun. Then when you get to the end of it, then you clip in the last one. I don't know if I'm making sense. This way it just feels more comfortable. Right now I'm just going to braid up the two sections I kept apart in front, and I'm using expression hair. I have a full video on my channel on how I braid, so yeah, I'm not going to show the details. If you're interested, you can check out that video. Done braiding, and now I'll just go ahead to add my little gold jewelries to my braids. Thank you guys for watching till the end. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like, share and comment in the comment section, and bye.